On January 27, 2024, in Waukegan, Illinois, police received a tip about a stolen vehicle parked in a Starbucks lot. To their surprise, when officers arrived, they found the two main suspects fast asleep inside the car. The pair, 27-year-old April Reins and her friend, 27-year-old Joshua Rosendahl, had no idea they were moments away from the biggest wake-up call of their lives.
22, 28. 10-4. Hey, I don't see anybody in it, do you? Is there? Alright. Asleep. Get out the car. 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 Get out the car.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Get out the car.
Come out. Come out right now. We're gonna pull you out. Get out of the car. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Come out. Come out right now. We're gonna pull you out. Get out of the car.
Pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out.
Get.
Pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out.
Whoa! Stop the car! Get him! Get him!
Get out of the way. What?
Get on the ground, get on the ground, get on the ground. Get on the ground!
Hey, I didn't.
Get on the ground!
I didn't do anything. Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything. Whoa.
Come here. Stop, resist. Yeah?
Just push it out. Milo, watch that guy. Watch that guy. Get out the car, bro. Kramer, keep your pedal on it.
Hey, put your gun away. Put your gun away. Do not shoot it.
Get out the fucking car, man!
Just let her go. We're not gonna fucking jump on it.
Break the window.
Get on your face. You're under arrest. Do not move. Do you understand?
What does she have? No, nothing.
April faced multiple charges, including running over an officer and breaking his ribs during the arrest. Joshua was charged with resisting, obstruction, and trespassing.